You are capable of accomplishing anything. Paint a masterpiece in a minute, learn every language in an hour, build a multi-billion-dollar business overnight, and dominate the planet tomorrow. So, what's stopping you? What's the point of not doing what you want? Did you not hear enough Mozart as a baby? And did you not eat enough vegetables as a child? Is it possible that you're not using your brain to its maximum potential? Do you want to know how you can help? This is what may happen. And this is how your brain would look at full capacity. To say the least, the brain is extremely complicated. We've been studying it for centuries, and we're constantly learning more about it today. But be cautious. The pursuit of facts can sometimes lead to the creation of fiction. To be smarter, you must have a larger brain. Brain size is more related to proportion than intelligence. That's false. For example, here's your brain next to a whale's. Guess who's smarter? Guess whose body needs more processing power? Your brain is smaller than a whale's because your body is smaller. However, your brain is structured in a way that enables you to survive and succeed. But after all that, would you believe that humans only use 10% of their brains? Let's make it 100%. We've seen what really smart people can do. They inspire us through art, music, literature. They change the odds in sports. They develop tools that make our lives easier. And they contribute to the organization of society as a whole, making us all more powerful, for better or ill. You're infinite when you have complete access to your brain's power. So, what are you going to do? First and foremost, you finally get to solve the Rubik's Cube that's been collecting dust on your shelf. Call up your smartest friend and challenge them to a game of chess. Checkmate in 2 moves. Relish. When you're done being a smarty pants, you'll be looking for a real challenge. Since being smart means that you won't be as stimulated by the things that keep us simpletons happy. So what's your interest? Art, science, technology. When you're limitless, you don't have to choose. Picasso was exaggerated. Sorry for the delay. I spent the entire night curing cancer. So I reasoned, why not? And that's how the time-traveling toilet came to be. Okay, back up. Limitless. What happens to your body when you're dedicating all your brain's energy to a creation, a cure, or patent? Your lungs breathing, your heart beating, your food digesting, and your blood circulating. That's all your brain. Even if you could access 100% of your brain's capacity, you couldn't use it. You would be limited by your body's survival needs. Remember when we asked, would you believe that after all that humans only use 10% of their brains? Did you believe it? The 10% thing is a myth, and it probably comes from a simple confusion. Your brain is 10% neurons and 90% glial cells. Diverse types of neurons perform different activities, but your neurons in general allow you to process and transfer information. Glial cells, on the other hand, surround your neurons, giving support and insulation. What's more, you know what? The human brain is built in the same way. Albert Einstein's brain had the same number of neurons as yours. So, how can you improve your intelligence? Treat your brain like a muscle by stimulating it with new experiences, challenges, and adequate rest. Maintain a healthy lifestyle. That is the wisest course of action. It's a no-brainer, of course. Thank you for watching. If you always want to be one step ahead of everyone and never miss an update on such topics, please subscribe to our channel.